Folks, MACT here, and it's time to go ahead and put away the old snowblower. Hadn't changed the oil in it for a couple years. Of course, I hardly use the thing, but this is a MTD snowblower. I did a previous video on it replacing the transmission, but I thought I'd go ahead and start her up and get this yard machine warmed up because I'm going to go ahead and change the oil. Now, I'm going to do it the easy way, through the oil fill cap. That's right. And I'm not going to drain it right there. Who wants to break out tools when all I have to do is take this thing here, stick the hose down there, suck it out, and then refill it. Makes life pretty easy that way. So let's go ahead and warm this beast up, and then I can take and do the oil change on it, which shouldn't take too long. I don't hardly think I've used this thing. Look at that oil. Holy cow. That's almost clean. But it's been in there a couple years, so I just haven't used it that much. Along with that generator. Gonna do something on that later. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this thing fired up and see if it'll actually start. And then warm it up for about a good 10 minutes or so. And then we'll see if we can't suck out the warmer oil and get things going. I don't know if this thing's gonna start right away. There you go, first pull. We'll go ahead and let her run and then get warmed up. Well, it took it about 30 minutes because I didn't have much gas in there. And got the gas all ran out of it. It's ran completely dry, which is good. And that way I don't have to deal with bad gas. And also it hit about 170 degrees on the engine right here. So that tells me that the oil is nice and warm. So let's go ahead and start sucking out the oil through this. And get it changed out. All we gotta really do is get this all the way down in there. See where we're at. So you can see by putting it right here, we're pretty much down to the bottom. So we're gonna get that in there. It doesn't go down any further. It's pretty much where we're at. Just make sure this is where we want it. And then we just start pumping. As you can see, and that is hot, folks. That is some hot oil. And that's all she took. Pretty simple. So now we go ahead and fill her back up. Gonna toss some 10W30 in it. And not sure quite how much it takes. We'll dump a little bit in and keep measuring until we get to the stick. I forget, it can't be much more than half a quart. Now I dumped some in. Let's go ahead and see where we are on the fill line here. Looks like we're doing pretty good. Dump a little bit more in because I think right here, yeah, we're not up to the line yet, so we'll go ahead and dump some more in. A little more than a half a quart. We'll give it another check. It's hard doing this one-handed, isn't it? It's hard to see, but I think we're getting there. Just a little bit more. It's going to be about 3/4 of a quart. There we go. Let's see what we got now. There we go. Nice and full. You can tell from the oil on there. Anyway, it's all full. So that's it. Winterize. Not much else to do on this thing. Got the gas ran out of it, and gonna go ahead and put it in storage for the winter.